right? Once again,
Yeah.
this is my screen, right? My screen is visible, right?
As visible.
Okay, today I'm going to explain just overview about the SAP, like how we can open the SAP offline portal, offline SAP server. So basic screen information. For example, you are using any other screens, like what and all the fields, regular fields you are going to use. This kind of information I'm going to explain in this section. So this is a SAP login pad. So this one is SAP login pad in online pad. The GUI access. This is a VMware. VMware means offline version. For example, your system having more than 250 to 350 GB. Based on that, we have option to install the offline version, right? So mostly available in market like 700 to 1500 different people they're collecting these prices. So whoever don't have a SAP offline version, first immediately you need to download that one. You need to install the server, and this is the offline server. So offline server means mostly 3 months they will charge 1000 to 1500 in ECC, and as per HANA they will charge 2000 1500 to 2500. So whoever learning stage, in my preference, first we need to use offline server only. Once you need to learn end to end, then only you can use the online server, right? So this is the offline server. So click on the offline server. VMware is going opening. So this is previously when I'm closing this ERP, I just suspend this. So whenever I click on the suspend, so just click on this one. It will take the server. It will be activated within 2 or 3 minutes. So if you cannot use the suspend option, you can use directly logout. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. So mostly based on your system performance, mostly once completed your practice, you need to log out the system properly. So some of the times you can suspend the system. It will take more. Sometimes it will show error. Okay. So this is administration system. Mostly of all the offline servers, password is it will be INDIA India 123. And here we can just click on the space button and can click on OK. Okay, this is a VMware portal. So here first we need to activate it. We need to start the program. So then only we can open the login pad. So click on the SAP management option and click on the open option. Okay, here CST database, there are different files. Here you just click on the CST and mouse button, you can click on the left arrow, click on the start button, and again it will ask the password. So you can see this is the timeout period. Okay, you just click on the continue. So here also you need to enter same password, INDIA India 123. So this password depends on wherever you can collect the server. They are provided this password and credentials, everything. So click on this OK. So once you can start the button and just multiple times you can refresh this one. But in real time scenarios, you don't need to use the offline server. They are providing the remote desktop server. It means you can just click on the IP address, then automatically you will get your company relevant screen. Then only inside the server, inside the remote desktop, you have a different types of servers. So everything they are providing the user credentials and everything. So multiple times you can refresh this one and just minimize this one and click on the SAP login pad. My voice is audible, right? Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Then this is the main SAP, like what and all the works we are going to done, everything it will be done under this screen only. So here you can see this is the client. So here this is the demo server only. Here we have only one server, right? In this server, client name is 800. But in real time scenarios, based on the clients, I mean, here you can think client means whoever the running the business, that person is we can call it as a client. In SAP logon portals, we have another word client. So that client is the business owner. here this client is whatever the server we are using, that server number we can call as a client. Okay, don't confuse that one. So here this is the demo server client 800. But in real time scenarios, we have a three kind of servers. One is development server, and one is quality server, and one is production server. These three servers, it will be mandatory. So you are getting for example, you are getting the job, you are entering the job based on your roles. For example, you are as in consultant, so you need to work on development server. For example, you are in testing people, like testing department, you need to work on quality server. Or else you are in the direct end user, like whoever post the day-to-day transactions, that persons we can treat it as a end users, nothing but accountant. So these accountants are working on production server. So this way we have a three servers: so development, production, development, quality, production. So that is the real-time system landscape. Each and everything I'm going to explain in real time. So one by each and everything, no issue. So for example, in real time, development server client 800, at the same time quality server client 900, and production server client 1000. So I'm just saying example only. So in this way, each and every server wise, we have a different client. So and each and every different client under, we have a different passwords. That basis and security team, they are providing these credentials. So here, this is the demo server, password, SAP user, and INDA India. Sorry, user SAP user, password INDIA India 123. Okay. Till I don't have any doubts, right? You have any doubts? Why I'm explaining how to open the VMware? So sometimes many of the people forget how to open this, so that I'm telling this one. Okay. And this is the SAP portal. Okay, SAP Easy Access. Nothing but this is SAP Easy Access means easy access screen. It will use under the end users only. In real time, in production server, it will be available in easy access screen. In real time, even consultants and senior consultants, manager and testing department, nobody can, these kind of department people, they don't have option to enter in easy access screens. It means end user, production department, production server, nobody have an option to enter the any transactions and generate any reports. These kind of in production server, only fine, whoever use the who are working on end users, like nothing but accountant. These kind of people only getting permissions under the production server, right? So this is the SAP access screen. So in this SAP access screen, we can click on the account is based on our. So for example, we are discussing about the FI model. So click on the. So or else we are working on the HR department, we can click on this one and other information tools. This and all under the basis and security team. So here I'm just click on the accounting. So in entire, these are different types of options. So here only we can post the multiple transactions based on the client business requirement. So for example, we can choose financial accounting, general ledger. So I already explained briefly in demo sections. So general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, banks, fixed assets, lease, and there are different kind of options available. At the same time, controlling CO, so cost element, cost accounting, internal orders, product costing, profitability analysis. So now in market there is a much more demand under the whoever having good knowledge in FI and CO. So mostly with 4 to 5 years experience, companies are ready to give a offer with more than 20 plus 20 plus lakhs of packages per annum. So most of the people, they just learn FI only and they'll get the job. So, but whoever learn FI and CO, compulsory 100% will get job and your profile will have a good work too. Okay, this is the completely end user screen and coming to SPRO screen. SPRO. T code is SPRO. So here, this is it. For example, in Excel, you can control F and enter anything. At the same time, here also, if you want to post any transaction, if you want to display any kind of your required screens, you need to enter here. Okay, this is the search bar. So in normal terminology, search bar, in SAP terminology, you can treat it as a command bar. Command bar means whatever that T codes here we can enter automatically particular screens it will be displayed. Right? I understand, right? Anjana and Srinu.
Sir, hello. Sir.
Everybody understand, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Yeah, yeah, understand.
Then SPRO means SPRO. This is the T code. Whenever you enter the SPRO, automatically it will reach this screen. This is customizing screen. Execute project. It means we have a consultant. So based on the client requirement, we need to define the software and we need to define the screens for business requirement screen. So once we define the screen, we need to define the screens. Before that, in background, we need to do some required configurations. So that is whatever the required configurations required, that configurations will done by the consultant. Once configurations and everything done, same consultant will test the particular configuration. Either the document is posted properly, the particular document relevant report is generating properly. These kind of all the reports, these kind of all the scenarios they will test. That is called as a unit testing. So here you can see this is SPR SAP reference IMG screen. So this is entire consultant, whoever consultant working on this screen. Slash n means it will automatically reach the SAP Easy Access screen, right? And SPRO. SPRO means the end user screen. So here, sorry, SPRO means consultant screen. Here we need to work on the everything. Okay. So one by one, step by step, I'll explain one by one based on our course content. So currently I'm explaining easy access screen. So here you can see, you need to you need to verify all the options. So menu, SAP menu, business workplace, create role, display, refresh, and edit options, execute favorites, extras, systems. So here based on the options, if you want to require, you can check it. So you can log off the system, then click on the log off, then automatic system will log off and status, short message, one job. So these are all basic fields. Later, whenever you are going to work, each and every step wise, we can understand. Okay. This is the create new section, control L. So automatically new section it will be opened. You can see already this is one screen, this is one screen. And one more thing here, there is a different type of options. So here you can see customize the local layout, help, and create new sections. Same how previously in system also you can generate new section. Here also there is a sun symbol. Here you can click automatically new section it will be opened. Same new sections. You can see 1, 2, 3, like 3 sections. Maximum you have an option to open 7 screens at a time. More than 7 screens, it will shows as a error. Maximum screens, it will be reached. So then we can clean. So for example, slash n means home screen. So now we are in, this is the home screen, right? This is the screen here. Slash n entered automatically, it will reach the home screen. For example, SPRO. Here we are in SAP IMG reference screen. Again, we can enter slash n. Here, command bar slash n. It will reach to the SAP Easy Access screen. We can click. At the same time, here also one more screen. Here we can enter slash n means home screen. Slash I means current whatever you are using screen, current screen, it will completely closed. So you can see previously you have a 3 screens, 1, 2, 3. You just enter slash I and enter. You can see 2 screens only. One screen it will be removed. And again you can see slash I. only we have a one screen. These are all the basic opening process, like system startup screens. Okay. And for example, slash and FB50. So there are some standard T codes. So compulsory, you need to learn that standard T codes. In today also, I am explaining overview and screens, how it will work on screen. That one I will explain. So tomorrow onwards, I will start one by one, like topic wise. So here you can see this is the one screen, right? FB50 means normal transactions. For example, as part of your business, for example, as part of business, your company paid electricity bill. 1 month electricity bill is called, or for example, 1 lakh. So this electricity bill transaction is electricity bill account debit to bank account credit, right? So here electricity bill GL account we need to enter in debit side. Here you can see, for example, this is already created one company code, document date 20/02/2025. For example, why these and all fields required means this is some standard fields. So some of the clients, it means some of the business owners, they are asking, so these kind of fields are not suitable for my business requirements. We need to add additional requirement. Okay. Based on that, some required fields it will be added. We need to update that fields. So for example, here date updated, GL. So I can elaborate some GLs already created in my company code for salaries payable. This training purpose, I created a couple of GLs. So I put in a electricity bill GL account, electricity bill GL. So I already shared some basic accounting terminology. So whatever the transactions I told, immediately you need to which GL account comes under the debit and which GL comes under the credit. These are all you need to learn must and should do. For example, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh rupees. This is the debit side. Here there is a debit credit. Here in this side, you can see there are the different columns available. In previous ECC, this is also ECC. ECC old version, these and all fields are not available. Later, new business clients, new business requirement, based on that, SAP will be developing this kind of all the. For example, this transaction, we can post electricity bill and we are paying electricity bill from HDFC Bank, right? Debit amount, credit, 1 lakh. Okay, we are paying this transaction, but this electricity bill relevanted which business area? It means branch, which business area. This payment GL account belongs to which business area? That is the client requirement. So that SAP implemented, here you can see business area and partner, cost center, internal orders. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు CO లో when we are entering the CO, you need to learn everything. Sales order, input, profit center, cost element, WBS element. These are all required fields. So later one by one you can understand easily. Okay. Here also I need to enter the date, an entry required text field, text something, explain electricity bill. Sorry. Electricity bill. Okay. In this way we can, sorry. Value date 20/02. Just I'm going to explain the entry. Okay, this is the entry. And here you can see whenever you're posting the document, first you need to verify TSCR, Tesla Car Cyto. This is your company code. You need to verify this document belongs to this company code or not. If this company code is document belongs to company code is not activated, you can click on this company code option. You need to enter your new company code. Then automatically it will be your company, your required company code details. It will be available. Okay. And tree on, for example, tree on means this is an entire screen. You can click on the tree on means you can see screen. It will be available in this way. It means this particular transaction relevanted other fields also it will be appearing here. So easily you can update, easily you can verify L documents. These and all the features available. We can activate the tree on, tree off. And later this and all, I'm going to explain whole document, simulate document, park document editing. Then before going to document, you can see change the document display post to. Before post the document, you can check the display option. And there is a different types of simulate. Simulate means this is the transaction. Okay. Whenever posting the transaction, first you need to verify the transaction. We are posting the transaction. Every field it will be updated correctly or not. We need to verify. You can see this is the document type SA. SA means general ledger, normal document, company code, physical year, posting period. Posting period అంటే ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు చెప్తాను. సో పోస్టింగ్ పీరియడ్ అంటే మన యాజ్ పర్ ఇండియన్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ ప్రకారం ఏప్రిల్ 1 నుంచి మార్చ్ 31 వరకు ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్. సో ఏప్రిల్ నుంచి మార్చ్ 31 అంటే అక్కడ 9 మంత్స్ వస్తాయి ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నౌ వీఆర్ ఇన్ 2024-25 ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్. సో కరెంట్లీ నౌ వీఆర్ ఇన్ ఫిబ్రవరి మీన్స్ 11th month, right? So March means 12th month. Financial starting April to March, it means 12 months. So already 24 year, 9 months completed. 25 year, we have a 3 months, January, February, March. In that first one completed, second one is February. Okay, so that we can treat it as a 11th period. These and all months, how it will updated in fields, everything I'm going to explain one by one. Document currency INR. Here you can see posting key. Electricity bill account debit to and HDFC bank account credit to. Here you can see minus symbol. It means amount it will be debited from HDFC bank and it will be added in. So you can add it or positive whatever, edit in electricity bill so that it will show normal. So anything you can debit enter in credit, automatically it will show on a minus symbol. Then we have a go to settings, layout, systems based on the document wise help. Then we have an option to, here also we have option to post, and here click on the save option. It means post. This document will be posted. Whenever posted, system it will be generated, particular document number 2034. So this document number, everything, how it will be added, everything I'm going to explain. So I think this is the demo section only. So how we can use the server, what and all the fields having. So maybe I hope everyone by tomorrow evening, everybody you need to verify, you need to recheck all the set options in your server because it will be feel free to understand your server. Okay, I think I hope I'm going to close this one. Tomorrow notes daily I will take 1.5 hour, 1 hour maximum 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So whoever still don't have the SAP server, so you need to activate, you need to install your server. Okay, till everybody having any doubts, anyone having doubts? So I already shared the entire course details in our course. Okay, you can see here, this is the course details I already explained one by one. So in current market, mostly many of the end users are like P2P or O2C or end user jobs available. Whoever learn end user point of view, it will take 1.5 months. If you want to learn the entire consultant point of view, it will take 3 months. Anyhow, you need to spend minimum daily 4 to 5 hours, at least minimum 3 months. Then only you can success. Then only you have an option to enter in IT sector. That is final decision. So anybody having doubts? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir.
Okay, once again, tell me about yourself, each and everybody. Because we are going to learn as a consultant job only, right? Later, you are getting a consultant job based on your job, based on your project, based on your client. 99% nobody can talk in Telugu. so that at least today onwards you need to improve your communication and everything, because here nobody having no one having expert in English. So everybody came from learning stage only. So I hope your subject, how much subject learn important. At the same time, your communication also 100% important for surveying in IT sector. Okay, right? Okay, just introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Surendra. I'm from Kadapa and I completed my graduation in SV University, Tirupati in 2020.
Okay,
And I'm trying to learn FICO consulting.
okay.
Mm,
So what's your qualification?
BSc General.
BSc General.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Is it tough for BS General?
Nothing. So even most of the people thinking this FICO course suitable for the commerce students only, but you can understand who are doing the jobs in market. 90% these FICO consultant jobs involved in jobs are doing in non-commerce students only. BCom, BSc, sorry, BSc, BTech, MTech, and other non-commerce students only they are doing, because here just basic accounting terminology you need to learn debit and credit. What comes under debit, what comes under the credit. That is the basic thing. Remaining rest of everything from starting onwards up to ending, each and everything I will explain one by one. So no need to require your commerce background is mandatory. So commerce background only they will work, they will learn easily. This kind of everything it will be trash.
Okay.
Okay. Surendra, you have any doubts? After completion of your degree, how many years gap you have?
I have overall for 4.5 years.
4.5 years of gap, right? After
Yeah.
completion of your degree.
I have no any experience end user or any. I am not non-IT field.
Okay, you have a PF account, right? Last working
No,
days. You have a
no,
PF
I
or
have no
not?
PF. No, I have no PF account, and I worked in unorganized sectors like construction work.
Okay, very good. Because you have a PF, that is also one of the issue.
Okay,
Okay, anything you are coming last to previous 3 to 4 years, you don't have a PF, then you can easily, once you can learn subject properly, then you can easily survey not enter in IT market.
okay. Thank you for information.
Okay. One more thing, everybody. So whenever I'm taking the class, compulsory you need to attend each and every class. So that is my request, and that is your future interest. Whoever attend the daily classes, day by day, whatever I'm explaining, you need to learn continuously. And compulsory you need to success. But one more thing before I will explain, SAP is it is very lengthy concept, lengthy subject. So most of the people just learn the course within 2 months, 3 months. After 1 month, they feel bad. I'm not getting the jobs. I'm waste my time for learn this SAP. Many of the people I listen, but SAP compulsory you need to learn 100% within 6 months. 6 months or 1 year also. Sometimes you can take it will take 1 year, 1.5 year also, as you need to enter in IT sector as a consultant. For example, you need to enter as a end user like P2P, R2 or O2C. Then easily you can whatever the required you can learn 2 to 3 months. Then you can enter as a end user like accountant in IT sector. So based on your commitment, based on your interest, everything. So whoever job needed, whoever money required, whoever struggling the more facing more struggles, that kind of people spend more time for SAP learning. So that is my understanding, based on my experience, I'm sharing. Okay, Manju, can you explain about yourself?
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. My name is Manjanath. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, but currently I'm staying in Maruthahalli. Recently, I did my master's MBA, but currently I'm working at Mahindra and Mahindra authorized dealer, Sirish Auto Private Limited, as a accountant executive. But currently, I'm pursuing SAP end user. That's all. Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone.
Okay. And Srinu, tell me about yourself.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
Daily, you can see daily I'm taking the class 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Before joining the class, after closing, after ending the class, compulsory I need to interact everybody regarding the previous class, how much you can learn group as a group discussion. So each and every topic, for example, once I completed one topic, it will take 2 or 3 days. Then the topic ending date, compulsory I need to conduct the discussion with the group members. So everybody you need to discuss in the same regarding that particular topic. I need to ask the questions. Okay. Okay. Tell me about yourself, Sri.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir. Hi, everyone. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am bachelor degree BCom Computer Science.
Hello, Srinu. I think your network